Welcome to the Excel Center in Muncie, Indiana. Our campus is one of more than 30 schools in the Excel Center National Network. Our Muncie campus opened in 2017, serving approximately 300 students annually. The Excel Center is a proven model that provides adult students the opportunity to earn their state-recognized high school diploma, along with college credits and industry-recognized certifications, all at no cost. The Excel Center hires high-quality, licensed teachers who maintain our commitment to providing a rigorous academic experience for students. The Excel Center offers accelerated curriculum with multiple terms a year, so students have time to master content while celebrating rapid credit attainment. We bundle courses, allowing students to quickly earn credit and move toward their high school diploma. The Excel Center meets students where they are, offering classes based on their current academic level, coupled with their previous high school credits. Every student is supported by a dedicated life coach who provides academic advisement, supportive services, and emotional support. Through on-site support such as transportation assistance and partnerships with community providers, coaches ensure students have access to all the resources they need to be successful, while also providing motivation and guidance to achieve their goals. Students are also able to use our free on-site childcare. The Young Learners Child Care Centers provide safe, developmentally appropriate programs for our youngest learners, ages 6 weeks to 12 years old. Students can drop their children off at the YLCC and know they are well taken care of just down the hall, allowing them to focus on their studies. In addition to high academic rigor, supportive services, and access to a high school diploma, the Excel Center model has a fierce commitment to what comes next for our students. Nationally, more than 70% of the Excel Center graduates have earned post-secondary credit and credentials along with their diploma. Schools are able to offer certifications that fit the needs of their local community and ensure students are able to access meaningful jobs, ones with complex, rewarding work that includes benefits and opportunities for advancement. In addition to starting high-quality careers, nearly 35% of the Excel Center graduates go on to college, where they have a 75% two-year persistence rate. Students who attend the Excel Center are looking to engage in their education and increase their career options. Thank you for visiting the Excel Center in Muncie, Indiana.